Me alone love crab, but afraid of them. I'm a crab lover. I'm afraid of them. Like today's a crab day, me cook some crab. Live and direct, like live crab. Never done this. Oh god. My life in a danger, people. May I get help for wash them. When I mean get help, I mean I ain't gonna do shit because I'm afraid. I'm just a girl. Whoa, yes, I'm washing off my table already. It's been in a storage for like the longest while. I'm resurrect it, wash it off, bleach, soap, the whole works. I'm gonna season up the pot now. So I'm gonna have my all-purpose, my chicken season, my salt, have my scallion. I have thyme and I think I have pepper. I have to look for the pepper. I don't know, so I can't forget what pepper, so I have that. I have corn, carrot. Woo. I have onion, without pimento, cup soup. So I have them all. And I have curry. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna do curry. I'm gonna curry it. I don't know. Let's not work with the flow. Sun hot though, cause I'm outside. Sun hot. But I normally do outside, you know. This is the only reason I have to read it outside, cause the sun turn up. Bad. Are you guys seeing me? The sun. Something my soul. Alright, so I just unwrap them. How much are these? How much I paid for this? I paid like $200 for this. So guys, you don't need to go to the market, you know. I kind of like convenience, because me and my son and a real friend, I get like $200 for this. $200 for this. So if you want convenience and you can't put a fuck up and do that son and ball out your throat and go through all of it, this not really, yeah. How much we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stock. Yeah. I mean, like convenience. I don't know. Some people like going to the market, old traditional style. Me, I don't like it so much. I can't bother. It's too much walking. And this at the time we make it, and I paid like $122 for this. $122. So I'm gonna wash off all of these. I need this much done. So I'm gonna go for the pepper because the pepper's still inside, so I'm gonna go for the pepper. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back with the peppers. I'm gonna pay like $244 for this amount. So I don't want it hot. I don't like when my crab hot till my nose around and I'm gonna bleed. I'm gonna actually bleed. No, my mouth, no. I don't want it so hot. So I'm gonna put all of them inside. You get me? I can't take the So I put this in. And then we're just wash all of the seasoning and add it to the pot. I'm gonna cut off all of the things that I don't want. Yeah, that's all set, you guys. I'm gonna do. Just put them in a tube and just wash them off and then add them to the pot. So I'm already adding all of the ground season, so I'm gonna add in my all-purpose. Oh, I'm gonna add the chicken season. I can't believe said this, my friend. Oh my god! I'm afraid of you. But I love you in my belly.
See if I'm a hold on fire on your finger, God help you. So the man them use gloves or go catch them.
Oh. Your face I'm clean now?
So
Let me see
you want to get the soap? You want to get soap and bleach and everything?
this. No, turn on him belly, let me see.
That's how it's supposed to stay.
Oh. Oh. Where you got him? Come deep myself?
Of course.
Ah, nah. Alright. Go, little man, you can do it. Krabby na baril. Just for turn this, spin them in the bucket can clean and then meet them place there. So you're Virginia eat dirty crab.
Well, when I eat crab paste. So.
No, me talk about your virgin. Bro, a whole and female life. Guys, that's what I'm telling you stuff. But I'm gonna take another one because I'm afraid. Whew. I'm afraid. Bye, bro. This one is ever big. The third one in. Let's go. Guys, this crab thing is not for the weak if you're afraid of crab. I did mean it. I'm just a girl. I'm not touching one of them. Ah. It's so hot. Outside I beat my bad. The heat is on. Whew. What them doing take long for cook. My.
See, you make a crab nip me and cut me.
That was my ball. How we looking? Yum. Guys, made it on water break. It's hot out here. Sure. So this is the last one. What about the pot? Let me see inside. So this is the last one. Yep. Guys, we have to take a fire from outside because oh my god, the heat was so mess with. At a long time I don't sweat so much. But the heat is crazy. But to crab them in, all of them in now. I'm just want them for cook, and then I'm gonna take out whatever I want for curry, because I think that not everybody go on their one curry, so I'm gonna just take out some and curry some and just eat some as is. But y'all see this sweat? Wanna see me sweat? Okay. Oh my god. I sweat like I'm putting all of the work. Well, I'm not really doing anything but supervising. Anyways, so yeah. I'm just gonna take a break. Come take a bathroom break because I'm hot.
And people tend to mistakenly.
Ooh. Ah, so you enjoy it? Love your belly, that's all you come here for. Look a bit from this milk and then your mango. Ah boy, look at that pretty baby. Oh my god. So number one. Yeah, number two. Angle. Triangle. Bangle. So this is for curry. So in a couple days time. Yeah. So this is what it come down to. So I finally finished. I never prize nobody. I never give them the dead crab. I never shit in a bucket. I'm out, guys. So yeah. So I'm gonna go devour my own. And I'm out. Peace.